Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Yesterday I made a video of this really weird den, so it was kind of funny. Yeah, today I'm going to be talking about the lack of respect that people have for Zero, aka Legendary. If you don't know the story, then you can have a look on Julian's video. I will leave a link to it in the description. Yeah, these people, I just came here to make a video on, you know, there we go. It's kind of, okay, I came here to make a small respectful video, to their friend, and, yeah, there was like 20 people here, just like shouting, like, I want to know the answers and stuff, and it's like, dude, I just came in, and I just started to rage at them, literally. I don't care. I don't. And yeah, that's it. Everybody leave. Goodbye. Yeah, I just think that there's a huge lack of respect. Yeah, I'm alone. Because I saw Julian's 2 videos on this conspiracy thingy, and yeah, I definitely don't believe the glitch thing that people keep on saying, like if you stand next to it for too long that your game crashes or something. I really don't believe it. I'm sorry. It's like cold. But yeah, I'm so outraged because Legendary has been through so much. Like, all the drama, all the hacking and glitches and stuff, and then people coming here and just being pain in the butt, really. I did not know that done that. That was cool. And earlier I came here to make a video, this video. There was a fox here and they wanted to make a wrecking ball video here, so I'm a bit annoyed at that. So it keeps on moving for some reason. Okay, yeah. The main message I want to get out here would be to live and let live. It's basically saying that just let people live their lives and don't make it any harder for them. You know, just if you're gonna come here to pay a little bit of respect, then that's fine. But if you're gonna come here and rant about like how fake it is and stuff, like it's just not right. So oh my god, my throat is going everywhere today. Yeah, it's really sad. But the creepy thing is, like, it's like how the name is Zero, and for example, if I type in 5, see, it's like a grey koala, the same as this. And if you go to the den, there's like all of the numbers up to 10, I think up to 10, have a portal going to Zero's den. I think it's kind of like, I don't know, but in my mind, it's kind of like a link thing. Like, because all numbers, like, they're kind of linked to Zero. You're probably thinking I'm just talking a load of rubbish, but if you know what I mean, comment down below and say, just like, just say that I know exactly what you mean. And if you don't, then say you're talking a load of rubbish. So yeah, I just wanted to get that message out because when I saw that video about this, like the conspiracy, like, you know, I was just like, I felt so sorry for them, and yeah, it was just really bad. So, well, thank you very much for watching. Please don't be outraged or anything. Um, yeah, just the main message is live and let live. This video has been kind of like a respectful thing, so you know it's not exactly bad. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye!